My name is S. Srivachan, studying in class 12A in KENDRIYA VIDYALAYA Ashok Nagar. I am going to demonstrate this Vandecraft generator. It is an electrostatic machine which is used to create high potential and is used to accelerate the charged particles. If we supply current to this generator, due to the charging of this rubber sheet, the rubber sheet goes up and in turn charges the big sphere. This can be seen if we discharge the current through this neutral ball. We can also see the effect of the charge if we connect this silk thread to the ball. When the charge is accumulated enough in the sphere, due to the creation of electric field in the vicinity of the sphere, the silk thread gets risen up due to the field. This is a bell cup apparatus. If we connect the bell cup apparatus to the sphere, these two small bells are connected to the sphere while the other big bell is not connected. We can see it is insulated at the below. When the small droplet of glass comes in contact to the small sphere, it gets positively charged and it gets repelled to the other side. When it goes to the other side, it gets neutrally charged and is repelled again. So in this phenomenon, the small droplet gets oscillated between the two bells.
Myself, Sagar of class 12th stand in front of you to explain a simple topic, ray optics, and the function of human eyes and what are the defects of human eyes. Light enters through our eye lens, it passes through our eye lens and it converges. So it converges and it forms the image on retina. The retina will be present in this area. It is just a small membrane, and on that membrane this image of the object will be formed. On the retina it will be inverted, the image of the object will be inverted. So this inverted object is transferred through optical nerves, it goes to brain and it is again inverted and brought to the correct size. This is the source of laser rays, this will produce laser rays. So now I will show you the functions of human eyes and their defects. So first we will place a convex lens. So when you place a convex lens, you can see that the rays will come and converge at the retina. So this is the function of a normal ray. Whenever light rays enters, it will come and converge at the retina, and the retina will be, they will give the signals to optical nerves and then it will go to the brain. So this is the function of a normal human eye. So now we will see the first defects what happens in human eye. If you see in this case, you can see that the rays converge before the retina. This defect is called myopia. Myopia means far-sightedness. Means you can see the near objects clearly, but you can't see the far object that clearly. It will be blurred. So to overcome this defect, we place a diverging lens. Diverging lenses are mostly concave lens. So when we place a diverging lens, which will be changing from person to person, it will diverge the lens even more, and if you see that it will form on retina. So all the rays will converge at retina. So the rays which converge at before retina now converge after it, means on retina. So for defect of myopia you have to place a diverging lens which can correct it. So we will go to the next defect. The next defect is hypermetropia. In hypermetropia, if you see that all the optical rays will converge after retina, so the image will not be formed, and this is known as nearsightedness. You can see far object clearly, but you can't see the near objects. So this defect is known as hypermetropia. So to overcome this defect, we place an convex lens. So when we place a convex lens, convex lens are converging lens. So when you place it properly, you can see that all the rays converge at the all the rays will converge at the retina. So for the persons who have the defect of hypermetropia, they should use a convex lens. So these are the two defects in human eye we observe.
I am Gautam of class 12A studying in KENDRIYA VIDYALAYA Ashok Nagar, and I am going to explain how this ring launcher works. This machine is called as ring launcher, and now we can see the parts of this ring launcher. This is called as the iron core, and we can see the coil inside it. Now when I apply high voltage in this coil, the current will be induced in this coil and the bulb blows, and eddy current is produced in this iron core. So now I am going to demonstrate. So as you can see, the bulb blows due to the induction of current in the coil, and now I am going to launch a ring. So when I launch this, the current flows through the coil and current gets induced in this ring, and due to repulsion, the ring gets launched into the air. So now I am going to show this. And now I am going to show why this ring with a gap in it is not launching in the air. See, this ring is not launching because due to the gap in it, the current is not flowing through the ring. So now I am going to show an insulator why it is not launching. Yes. And you can see it is not launching because the plastic ring is an insulator, due to which the current doesn't flow through the ring. Now I am going to show it once again. So it's not the current is not induced into the plastic ring.